Hi, so in today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to sew this bubble or balloon dress. You're about to see how I palm balloon dress and I say bubble dress. So me pay me 2 yards of fabric, but anchor on the normal base in this dress and all palm also in at least 3 or 4 yards. And never my balloon effect and about more, but because we need a tutorial, so I use 2 yards. I'm gonna say my fabric I have available 2 yards, so me use 2 yards and I'm gonna palm this particular dress. But in all palm you should more than 2 yards, and then my balloon effect in the emblem. So because of saying me use 2 yards, 1 yard for the front, 1 yard for the back, me start folding it into another 2, which is about me 4. So before I cut, I also started with chest line, and then chest line I'm working on it in 6 inches. So be you chest line if you will full length of the dress in the moon. To me full length I'm working on it here 33. And remember say because of say we need balloon dress in it, mark it with 33 in a year for extra 5 or 6 inches at also, because a balloon a between be inside na my balloon effect na benti for extra 5 or 6 inches at us. We are no some another 1 inch for elastic channel. Hope said they make what I say because of say balloon effect we make a full length area for extra 5 or 6 inches account. Now the extra 1 inch account for elastic channel. To be a year of shoulder and to be 6 inches if like for best start if with chest line. Yeah, best start if with chest line. To me my chest line I'm working with it and 6 inches na me free before length 33. So maybe this is the actual length I'm working on. And so I am a full length plus 5 or 6 inches and it's my chest line. See we are because of say we need 2 yards number folding into 4 pieces my chest divided by 4 plus 5, chest divided by 4 plus 5, but so we use 4 yards which is 2 yards paper when 2 yards paper which is so I know no chest divided by 2 plus 5, and as I mean kind of says we use fabric wow share now divide we chest by 2 plus 5 a so now why and it's about way because of some mass folding into another 2 manaya 4 pieces me chest divided by 2 plus 5 and so to me and chest divided by 4 plus 5 inches. I hope said they make an matter here. So we use more than 2 yards a chest divided by 2 plus 5, but it's a we use 2 yards of fabric a chest divided by 4 plus 5, but as any the one yan she won you free moon tissue free moon. So and from when material and a cassia we use to say 4 yards say 3 yards as no be giant we are a strong or bast calculation in ya as no be giant and onion she be 2 yards no connect bus line to the base. It's Ebema be to say A shape form. Ebema be to say A shape to say the one who screen is sweet. Into ya marking a say we and you better me any excesses biara if from to get the main dress. To watch me, this is how your dress supposed to look like. I will say BBC. It's here the machine in your join it. You will create a channel for elastic at the top and down. But before that, and I will say Obe join nobody can join this side and side, which is side seams. Nobody can join this side seams now and sana. We create a channel no at the top and at the down. And open some just space a bit to me the elastic after I pass it throughout. It's your palm this is how it looks like. So kaka ye queen. See palm and this is how the dress is looking like without the elastic. It's space on American and into measure my space which is 1 inch at the down and then at the top to measure 1 inch or maybe I made the elastic and a far. So for the elastic calculation, for the top, your bust measurement minus 9 inches, or bust measurement minus 9 inches. So my bust measurement is 34 and I'm 10 inches, which is 25. But me, no, na is too loose for me. Into me side etching be free mo. It is a ultra elastic new year now the tone when I will say it's too loose. Still na space them because we're off shoulder. So I was at least a title kakra. Then no was actually be a frame. It's me yeah media no that too loose for me and I'm actually be from so me my shadow is 25 and side be free so sana be no but for the down no and when shade any calculation be ala me use elastic length of 30 inches. Do me the tape measure and so me swear be attire and metro balloon akwa kuduma no I know. So this is how the dress looks like. It looks funny though. Saying why it looks funny, but trust me, all the shy it's looking insano. And then insano is in the form of raffle. And me per se me raffle no big taking into me no length in 25 by 6 inches and you unfold cut 2. We are on fold 20. We are on fold 25 by 3 inches on fold. But it's not by force so be to 25 inches. And anyhow be our penitent be our pen or because the more now money yet tintin. Now the more nine sun raffles ni be more. And elastic length I'm used so many 10 inches. 10 inches for each, so which is 20 and I'm 2. So 10 inches. It's me the attire insane be come machine na kopam. So ya be pam no straight. Ni eja each end no. Baby am dem inside mark no. Hoye mpam but ya be pam enim ni straight. Ni tintin mo te say baby am dem inside mark two ni nyina. Uwia no wasan pam infini no to create elastic channel. So this is what I'm talking about. When you the elastic and be far. Send be benya raffle effect no insano. So this is me passing my elastic through my dress and I say we can say through material. To the family this is how it's supposed to look like. You see how it's giving gradually queen. See before I be attach and side seam no where you join your side seam, where you made your side seam no hwehwe na fa tape measure no to na susu bra e 5 inches but make sure those susu abetwimo obetwe elastic in mama ne mu na straight to get the 5 inches we are no attach insane to say the way am I so be the kind at the right side of face at the right side na wapam opam we are na wadane insana ba who how am I na but no wasan de insane ten why into say what top stitch yeah oh but the we know atare inside no right ebe face atare na kasa no right side because the entire make us inside no right side facing right side ni say bibi wa my stitch nti joining wo ho ti ebe ye ho ni be ye tree to be all round all S1. So this is how the dress look like, but we are done with our dress. But the dress it looks funny say a new one but say it gives rich anti vibes. So this is the end of our tutorial. Watch out for the next. Bye bye.